Hey friends, if you wish to know where wallpapers and lock screen images are stored on Windows, then please watch this video. Press the Windows key and the R button together and type the command, the path, C drive /Windows/web and hit enter. Okay, now let me explain what I mean by this. First of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab and then you will find a lot of themes here. Then when you click on background, you will find a lot of wallpapers here, and these are Windows default wallpapers. And then you can also check the lock screen dynamics. But if it is set at Windows Spotlight, okay, then it will pick up the lock screen from the internet itself. If it is selected at picture or slideshow, then you can change it. So there are a few lock screen images that have been provided by Windows that we can use, but people, if they use Windows Spotlight, which is the default option for lock screen, then nothing will be saved. Nonetheless, if you wish to see the options, then you can check this here. So these are the wallpapers. Okay, now for Windows wallpapers, I'll show you what they look like. I'll use Photos app for that. Now this is the dark one. I guess this is the dark one. Yeah, the first one was light and this one was dark. And then as for Spotlight, the current image I think is stored. No, this is just the Windows image. Okay, yes, the current images are stored, but there is not a lot which is stored here. Okay, and then we have 4K wallpapers. So these are the same wallpapers. I mean the main Windows one, just that they are in 4K. And you know, it doesn't matter on screens which are already in 1080 pixel. Okay, and then this one, and then this is also one of the lock screen ones. I think screen means lock screen here. And this one, which is absolutely blue. I actually like this wallpaper for my lock screen, but yeah, Windows Spotlight is better. Okay, and then touch keyboard so these are the images for touch keyboard. Okay, you know, Windows 11 introduced these wallpapers which were something like from out of the universe or a different planet, but not bad. Okay, if you like the video, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.